Ever pondered what happens to your body when you eat eggs every day? Let's take a little journey through time and nutrition to uncover the power of eggs. Since the dawn of civilization, eggs have been a staple in the human diet. A simple yet incredibly versatile food item, eggs have nourished humans across cultures and continents. Why are eggs so universally loved? Well, it's all in the nutrients. Each egg is a tiny protein-packed powerhouse filled with essential vitamins and minerals. From vitamin A to zinc, eggs offer a whole alphabet of nutrients that our bodies can easily absorb. They're particularly rich in high-quality proteins, providing all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. But the power of eggs extends beyond their nutritional profile. They're also a key ingredient in countless dishes, adding texture, flavor, and richness. So, eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, but how does your body react when you eat them every day? Diving into the daily egg diet, the impact is quite interesting. Let's unpack this, starting with the sunny side up. Eggs are more than just your breakfast staple. They're tiny nutritional powerhouses, packed with essential nutrients that bring about a myriad of health benefits. First off, eggs are a boon for your eyes. They contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which have been found to reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts, 2 of the leading causes of vision impairment and blindness as we age. Next, let's talk about brain health. Eggs are rich in choline, a nutrient that's vital for brain functions like memory and mood. It's often grouped with B vitamins, but it's not that well known. Nonetheless, it's incredibly important. And guess what? More than 90% of people don't get enough of it, making eggs a valuable part of your diet. Moving on, eggs are one of the best sources of high-quality protein. This type of protein is a complete one, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body can't make on its own. This is great news for your muscles, as protein is crucial for repairing and building new muscle tissue. Moreover, the protein in eggs can also aid in weight loss by keeping you feeling full and satisfied, helping to curb those pesky cravings. However, as with most things in life, there are 2 sides to every story. You might have heard that eating eggs can increase your cholesterol levels. This is partly true, as eggs do contain a substantial amount of dietary cholesterol, but here's the catch. For the majority of people, dietary cholesterol doesn't necessarily raise blood cholesterol. The real culprits are often saturated and trans fats, not dietary cholesterol. Nevertheless, if you have certain health conditions like diabetes, you might need to watch your egg intake. So, eggs can have a significant effect on your health, both positive and negative. But what's the bottom line? Stay with us as we crack open the final thoughts on daily egg consumption. After all the facts, can we conclude that eggs are good or bad for your health? Well, let's recap what we've discussed. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with proteins, vitamins, and minerals that your body needs. Eating eggs every day can provide a host of health benefits, such as bolstering your immune system, improving your eyesight, and contributing to heart health. But remember, everyone's body responds differently to foods. For some, eggs might be a daily delight, while for others, they may need to be an occasional treat. Moderation, as with everything in life, is key here. It's essential to understand your body's unique needs and how it reacts to different foods. We always encourage reaching out to a healthcare provider or a nutritionist. They can guide you to determine if eggs should be a staple in your diet or enjoyed sparingly. So, whether eggs end up being your best friend or occasional guest, they certainly have an interesting impact on your body, don't they?